Hello everyone, we're gonna make a scenery containing a house. Starting by making the house first, we are going to highlight the features like door and then the window. After that, we are going to make a chimney as well. Then we are going to make its surroundings, starting by making the grass and then the wooden fencing. We are going to make sun as well in the sky. After it is ready, we are going to make the pathways and some clouds, and then you can color it as you want. Next, we're gonna make another scenery starting by the house only. Then we're gonna make the doors, windows, chimneys, and then we are going to make a tree beside the house, followed by some birds and then the sun. Next, we are going to make some trees by using our hand shape, starting by following our hand print. Then we are going to make the trees. After it is ready, we are going to give a beautiful expression like this. We're gonna draw eyes, nose, and the mouth, and then we are going to draw some mushrooms beside the tree. After it's ready, we are going to color it by different colors. Next, we are going to make a duck, starting by making the body and the neck. We are going to move ahead towards the face containing the beak and the eyes. Then we're gonna make the feathers.